Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So basically all welcome to Nidhi's channel. And guys, आज आप देख सकते हैं I have done मतलब सब कुछ लिपस्टिक ही है. My eyes are with lipstick. My face is also with my lipstick and my lips are also with my lipstick because lips पे तो मैं मस्करा लगा नहीं. Okay guys, so leaving it. Okay. So now I'm going to show you like how I have created this look, and also guys thank you so much for giving me lots of love. And also guys, as I have told you like ऐसा कभी हुआ आपके साथ कि you are going to a college and आपके बैग में सिवाय लिपस्टिक कुछ नहीं है, like nothing. So this is what a life hack. It's useful for you also with the life hacks and also with the lips. Like I have this bunch of lipstick with myself, and if you do have it, so बस और क्या चाहिए, you can just create this look just as I have created. And also guys, ऐसा कभी होता है, so this is the best video for you. So guys, continue watching this video. And also guys, in the end of the video मैं आपको बताऊंगी आपको क्या करना है. So guys, this is what my before and this is what my after look. So guys, I hope you loved it. And guys, continue watching video. Okay guys, starting with my eyes. Like अभी पहले हम मेरे eyes से start करेंगे. Like हम इसको अभी मतलब जो मेरे दिख रहे हैं डार्क सर्कल्स और जो मेरे ब्लैक हेड्स भी थोड़े थोड़े दिख रहे हैं, हम उसको कवर करेंगे. Yes, with the help of a lipstick. Like really, this is the first life hack. You can also cover your dark circles and black heads with the help of this beautiful lipstick. So guys, आपके पास मैं आपको of course इसमें भी options दूंगी. First option ये है कि आप लाइट जो contour आता है, like a normal lipstick का भी आता है, आप वो यूज़ भी कर सकते हो. सेकेंड, पर्सनली जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो है ये लिप बाम. एंड गाइस, देखो आपको इसका कलर दिखाना है. इट्स अ वाइट कलर टाइप, लाइक इट्स ओरिजिनल वाइट. इसमें ऐसा कोई पिंकिश शेड नहीं है, ना कोई रेड शेड है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू contour my eyes with this. So just look at it. So मैं बस ऐसे ऐसे जैसे ही हम कंसीलर को घुमाते हैं वैसे ही बस मैं इसको कर रही हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स ऑन माई नोज एंड माई लाइक जहाँ पे मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है जो मेरा लाइक एवरी गर्ल्स फेसेस दिस. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू अप्लाई ओवर माई आईज एंड ऑफ कोर्स ओवर ऑन माई नोज. सो गाइस, लेट्स अप्लाई इट. Guys, of course you can see something pinkish coming on it. So yes guys, of course वो आएगा because इसमें थोड़ा सा pinkish creamy shade है इसका. So guys, I am just going to blend it now. तो यहाँ पे एक नॉर्मल छोटा सा टिप मैं देना चाहती हूँ. लाइक आई हैव दिस ब्यूटिफुल कपल ऑफ दिस पाउच ऑफ ब्रशेस, बट इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक एज आई सेड कि अगर आप हरी में निकले हो, तो इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दिस ब्रशेस, जस्ट लाइक जो नेचुरल हमारे हैंड है बस उससे हमको ऐसे ऐसे ब्लाइंड करना. एंड यू कैन सी द परफेक्ट, लाइक आई हैव गिवन इट almost the perfect with the help of this brush. You can also go with your hand, just dab it and that's what you get a beautiful contour. So guys, अब हम मूव करेंगे हमारे यहाँ पे लाइक जो हमारे कॉर्नर्स होते हैं वहाँ पे. लाइक वी डोंट नीड टू गो मच, बट हम थोड़ा इसको करेंगे with the help of the brown lipstick. So guys, let's apply a brown lip. Okay guys, so I'm going to apply this two lipstick over on my contour. Like guys, मेरे को यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा टिप देना. Of course you can apply two lipstick but only brown shade. If you also want, you can go with much darker, but in my skin I think the brown, like lightest brown which I have showed you, like this one shade, and of course with another, it's of Colorsil, and also the another is of also of Colorsil. And this one I'm going with this two shades and I'm going to apply this up beautiful. And guys, let's apply this. Alright guys, again I'm going to apply with this brush. You can also go with your hand. I'll show you how to go with your hand. Like just take little bit of it, just as I do, and just put it here over this. You can see this. Also guys, now I'm going with this brush and I'm going to apply it. very little because of course it's a college time, so that is why I wanted very little bit. And of course the next color I'm going to use is a second colossal lipstick, which is of brown color. I'm going to apply it on my nose, on my cheeks, and also over on my little bit of my head because I want to give a foundation look. So that is why I'm going to apply it. So guys, come on, let's apply it. Okay guys, so another small tip over here, like you can also apply this lipstick with your brush and also with your hand. Like it's not a tip, but of course you can apply it. और guys एक और चीज़ है कि like hand is the best thing to apply it. Like hand से जितना blend करोगे उतना you will get the beautiful texture. So guys, now I'm taking my brush over here. You can also take your hand. So again with this shade, like I have previously taken this shade. And again with this shade, I'm going to apply it like this on my nose, of course on my corners, again, and now I'm going to blend it, like applying a little bit on my eyes, just like this. And guys, I know I'm looking very weird. Also, I'm going to apply it little bit over on my this part, like very light, and with the hand just spread it, or also with the brush. But as I told you, the hand is the perfect, so I'm going to do the same. First, I'm going to do it over on my nose. Also, you can smudge it very perfectly. Like आप जितना उसको अच्छे से blend करोगे, it will give you the perfect look. Okay guys, so done with my face. Like I've spread it overall. और guys, मेरे को like personally मेरे को खुद को लग रहा है कि इससे मेरे corners को थोड़ा sharp बना है. Of course, it has hide my this dark circles, and also I generally feel that it's a very cute look. And also guys, यहाँ पे एक और छोटा टिप मैं देना चाहती हूँ कि guys मतलब आप जो भी प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई कर रहे हो, like हम लोगों ने लिपस्टिक से स्टार्ट किया है, बट आप इसको बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड करो बिकॉज blending is a beautiful texture. Okay guys, so now we'll move towards the eyes. So guys, here I want to say कि मैं ज़्यादा bold नहीं बनाना, so I'm going to use this beautiful pink color lipstick, like it's a matte lipstick. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to give a little bit apply on this, and then I'll show you how my eyeshadow comes. Okay guys, so now with the help of this brush, I'm going to take little bit of this lipstick and gonna apply again on my eyes, like on my eyeshadow kind of. And guys, I'm going to apply it over like here, like very very light because I want a light texture. That is why I'm going to apply this. Guys, I've applied it very little and it's a very light shade, like a very light. So इसके लिए like उसका जो contour है, like उसका जो color आएगा वो और भी अच्छा आएगा. So guys, I've applied it little bit and I'll show you how to apply it very lightly. Okay guys, so done with the eyes. Like as you can see, I've applied it very little because I don't want a very like मेरे को भरचक नहीं चाहिए, so that is why. And guys, of course, now I'm going to apply the same lipstick, like this lipstick, over on my nose area because I want this shimmery powder wala look. And if you are thinking what is this shimmery powder wala look, so this one is my basic video makeup. Like this is my sorry. Okay, so guys, this is my basic makeup video. In this I have told you like why I love the shimmery powder, because it gives a beautiful contour. So guys, you can go and watch it. And also guys, now I'm going to apply this lipstick over on my nose. It is also called as a baby pink lipstick because I love to apply pink lipstick. So guys, with the same brush I'm going to apply a little bit on my nose, like very little, like you can see, very little, like it's not like very little bit. And now with the hand I'm going to just okay, so I'm going to okay guys, so done with the nose. Like you can see, I've given a very small, like very little. Or guys, now it's turn for my eyebrows. Like yes guys, a tip over here, like you can apply a same lipstick which you have applied on your contour to fix your face. You can also apply the same lipstick on your eyebrows to give a beautiful eyebrow, like a beautiful shade of an eyebrow. So मैं बहुत थोड़ा like very, and it's a little bit shinier lipstick, like dark brown shinier lipstick. I don't know why I've taken this, but guys let me tell you, इसका color बहुत सही आता है, like very beautiful color it gives. So guys now I'm going to apply on my okay guys, so done with the eyebrows. And guys, as you have seen, I have used like a brush, like this kind of brush to set my eyebrows. It's personally like it's very optional. If you want you can, and अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए तो मत लगाओ, कौन देख रहा है? हाँ, so मतलब okay guys, so now it's time for eyes, like for eyeliner. So yes guys, this is a very cool trick. Like you can also apply this, like it's a lip contour which you apply on your lips to make your lips look bold, like very bold. So I'm going to apply it as a eyeliner and also as a kajal. So if you want you can apply it both, and also if you want little bit of blush, like so you can also take little bit of this and do this, and that's how you can get a beautiful blush. So I'm going to apply the both things. Like first I'm going to apply a liner, and then I will show you how to also apply on a blush. Okay guys, so done with the eyes. Like I personally like, मुझे खुद को लगता है कि it looks very nice, because अब कभी तो अपने eyes को change करके हर बार eyeliner लगा के, like I really feel like it's very cute. And guys also मैं अभी यहाँ पे as I said कि मैं उसको blush की तरह use करना है. It's very simple, like do dot, and if it hurts your skin just take little bit on your hand, यहाँ पे लो, similarly यहाँ पे, and just spread it like this. Of course guys spreading में time लगेगा, but then you will get a beautiful look, like as I think. Okay guys, so done with the blush. And of course ऐसा लगता है नहीं कि हम लोग ये लिपस्टिक से किया, like this blush, because of course ऐसे लगता है कि we have used a little bit of blush over here. And guys last but not the least I'm going to, like अभी मैंने देखा कि मेरा almost everything is pink, like my eyes, my blush. So similarly I'm going with a pink lipstick again, because अगर मैं red लगाऊंगी so it will not give me a beautiful look. So going with this pink, it's not a lipstick, it's what it's I forgot what it is. I don't know what. Whatever. Okay guys, so it's actually a lip, क्या बोलते हैं, lip gloss. Yeah, it's a lip gloss. So finally, हाँ. So this is a lip gloss. So I'm going to apply this now and just gonna end it. So that's what. Guys, so basically I've applied a matte lipstick, so it will take little bit of time, but I'm going to show you one tip. Like कभी-कभी होता है ना कि your lipstick gets stuck on your teeth, so just do one thing. Take your lips, like it's be a little bit, but take your and just put your finger inside. Hold on, and this is what the extra lipsticks come out. Guys, this is a beautiful, like I'm gonna hold it, but yes guys, it's a very beautiful tip. And also guys, almost my lips are getting set, so yeah. Okay guys, so this is what my final looks come, and I really loved it. Like whenever, like the thing I told in first, that you are handed only with the lipstick, this is what the beautiful hack you can use. And also guys, I love this, and if you do, just you have to do many few things like share, subscribe and comment on my channel. And also guys, अंशिका चैनल भी बाहर आ गया है, so लिंक मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं दे दूंगी. उसने of course एक वीडियो उसने डाल दिया है, like it's a gaming video, so I'll give you the link down in my description box. And also guys, I love the look. If you do, just comment me down. And also guys, if you want any other challenges or makeup video, just guys let me know. And guys, bye, take care, see you in next video. Bye guys.